This video is brought to you by Nhouse M&A.
Today, we will discuss Brother Industries' announcement regarding their proposed takeover bid for Roland DG. Brother Industries is a Japanese diversified industrial and consumer equipment manufacturer. It is particularly known for its printing and solutions business, and the company sells its products worldwide. Roland DG is a leading digital and 3D printing solution provider in Japan. Before Brother Industries' tender offer, Roland DG's management team, together with one of their major shareholders, Teo Pacific, have actually been proceeding with their MBO management buyout since February 2024. However, Brother Industries stepped into the process by making an announcement on March 13th that they will also commence their tender offer process in May 2024. We wanted to talk about this transaction because it is very interesting to see that a traditional Japanese company like Brother Industries would decide to launch a hostile tender offer. Are you interested to know what they were thinking? What made them decide to make such a move? Let's break it all down and see things using our framework. The 4 key things we'd ask are: is Roland DG a good strategic fit? Will the acquisition meet Brother Industries' financial goals? Will the deal be feasible? And what should the deal structure be? First, strategic fit. Brother Industries recognized a strategic fit primarily to acquire new capabilities, which are Roland DG's signage and 3D printing business footprint. Brother Industries expects to expand their business scope and realize synergies through cross-selling of these products. In addition, they also believe that there will be supply chain optimization opportunities by sharing the two companies' procurement efforts and manufacturing facilities. Brother Industries seems to have seen strong strategic rationale for an acquisition. Second, Brother Industries' financial goals. In their group vision by 2030, they are looking to increase industrial segment revenue from the current 30% to 50% and operating margin from 9% to 12%. As Roland DG's business are mostly industrial segment focused and their average operating margin for the past 3 years was around 12%, Brother Industries should expect the deal to contribute favorably to their KPIs. Third, feasibility. The target company Roland DG has already launched their MBO. Will Brother Industries be able to win finally? Brother Industries now offer 5,200 yen per share, which is about 3.3% higher than the MBO price. Brother Industries appears to believe that non-management consortium shareholders will be inclined to tender their shares based on economic considerations, and thus they would have a good chance of having a successful tender offer, provided that there are no additional counteroffers from the management consortium. Fourth, structuring. From Brother Industries' perspective, we know that they want to obtain full control of Roland DG in order to maximize synergies. To achieve 100% ownership in Japan, typically, companies will need to go through a 2-steps process. First, do a tender offer to acquire at least 2/3 of the outstanding shares, then followed by a minority squeeze-out. However, considering that around 27% of the shares are now held by the management consortium, it may not be easy to achieve 2/3 of the shares in the first attempt. That's maybe why Brother Industries is taking an unconventional approach and setting a minimum threshold of just 50%, which is perhaps enough for them to work with to eventually achieve 100% ownership. All right. Now we have analyzed the deal using our framework to look at this acquisition opportunity. We hope you have a better idea of why and how things happened with Brother Industries. If you are interested in learning more about the framework, I have included a link to our explainer video in the description below. We don't know whether the transaction will finally go through yet. However, interestingly, we see that on March 14th, the share price of Roland DG has already closed at 5,350 yen, which is higher than Brother Industries' offer price. This implies the market may be suspecting that another counteroffer may happen. It's definitely worth following its development in the next couple of months.